Welcome back to Advanced Technical Learning channel. In this video, you are going to learn about lookup functions. In lookup function, you will see VLOOKUP function and HLOOKUP function. And at the end of this video, I'll provide you one assignment to solve. So let's understand what is VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It allows users to search for a specific value in a vertical column and retrieve related information from a corresponding column within the same row. Here is the syntax for VLOOKUP function. So let's see what is HLOOKUP function. HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. It allows users to search for a particular value in a horizontal row and retrieve the associated information from a corresponding row within the same column. Here is the syntax for HLOOKUP function. So let's see some uses of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function. These functions used for data analyst, database management, and report generation. So let's see how to apply VLOOKUP function in Excel workbook. As you seen on your screen, we have 4 columns: product ID, product name, category, and price. So let's copy all the headings and paste it. We will search the information from the table with the help of product ID. So let's find the detail of product ID 104 with the help of VLOOKUP function. So let's apply VLOOKUP function equals to VLOOKUP, select lookup value, comma, select table array and freeze this table array, comma, which column value you want. We want second column value, type 2 here, comma, range lookup. True is for approximate match and false is for exact match. You can select true or false, or you can write 0 for exact match and 1 for approximate match. Close the bracket and enter. After pressing enter, you will see the product name of 104 ID. So let's find the category of 104 ID equals to VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, table array, select this table array, freeze this table array, comma, column index is 3, comma, and 0 for exact match, and enter. You will see the category of 104 ID. So let's find the price of 104 ID equals to VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, table array, comma, column index 4, comma, 0 for exact match, and enter. You will see the price of the product ID also. Suppose if you want to find the detail of another product ID, so let's write the product ID 110. You will see that it will automatically gets changed. So let's change this product ID again 101. It will automatically change the information of the product 104, 108. So let's see how to apply HLOOKUP function. First, let's copy paste the headings. So let's find the information of 110 product ID. So let's apply HLOOKUP function equals to HLOOKUP, select lookup value, comma, select the table array, freeze the table array, comma, in which row number you want to find the information. We are finding in second row, comma, 0 for exact match, close the bracket and enter. You will see the product name of the given product ID. So let's find category also equals to HLOOKUP, select lookup value, comma, select table array, freeze the table array, comma, 3 for selecting category row, comma, 0 for exact match and enter. You will see the category of ID 110. So let's find the price also equals to HLOOKUP, select lookup value, comma, table array, comma 4 for price row, comma 0 for exact match, and enter. You will see the price of ID 110. When you change the ID, suppose 105, it will automatically change the information. 102, 107. So let's see the assignment part. In this assignment, you have given some data and some questions to solve. You have to solve these problems with the help of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function. After completing the assignment, you can send it to me on the given email ID for review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.